What is up, everybody? Dan the Fireman here. Today we're going to be talking about 4 things. What are you doing? Okay, 4 things all motorcycle riders need to look for. That's one of them, an uncommon thing. That guy is switching across multiple lanes. But the goal here is to keep you safe if you're a beginner rider and you don't know how to ride, you don't even know where to start. We do have an online academy, basically zero experience beginner rider within 3 hours of that. So sign up, links in the description. Anyways, let's jump right into it. Roadway users, that was one of them. Side of the vehicle is a big one, especially going to intersections. So if you don't know what a side of the vehicle is, it's a pattern that we all look for when we're coming up to intersections. Pretty much, yeah, intersections. So coming up to this intersection right away, we're gonna start recognizing that. But that one over there, that was somebody doing something a little bit uncommon. They pulled off to the side. They don't normally do that, especially when they have their lights on and everything, and it's just kind of awkward and weird. And then they switch lanes. So there's the side of the vehicle right there. That's something that we're looking for at intersections. So if we had a left turner coming out here, we'd see the side of it. We got to watch out for that. So that pattern is very important. We've got to watch out for open lanes. We talk about that all the time on the live stream over at DanDanTheFireman. Open lanes are dangerous because that gives an opportunity for a roadway user to jump right in. Think of it this way. Do you like having an open lane like I do right now? Somebody else loves it too. They're going to try to take it. So be very careful with that. I think we have a side of the vehicle coming up. I'm going to go ahead and speed up a little bit. There's the side of the vehicle. That's another thing. So it could be a right turner, it could be a left turner. It all depends, but it all situates around intersections. So intersections, you're covering your brakes, you're looking for hazards, you're planning your ride, you located a hazardous situation, you're gonna assess if it's a relevant threat. Might have to progressively brake, slow it down, orange stage, everything we talked about in that course I mentioned at the beginning. The next thing we gotta watch out for is road surface hazards. Okay, I'm gonna keep a space cushion here. This guy's going a little bit slow up the hill, so I'm gonna roll up the throttle, maintain this decent space cushion, and position myself a little bit. Plus, stuff is flying outside of his, or out of the bed of his truck, and I don't want to get hit.